Why is everyone freaking out about the Pixel 10 Pro XL? Because Google just dropped a bomb in the smartphone world. Titanium body, matte glass. A reimagined design that looks futuristic and premium. The camera bar? Slimmer, cleaner, and blends perfectly into the frame. Then comes the display, a massive 6.9 OLED, QHD+, 144Hz refresh rate, and a ridiculous 3000 nits brightness. This screen is built to impress, even under direct sunlight. Now the camera, a 200 megapixel beast powered by Google's next-gen AI. This isn't just about taking photos, it's about creating magic. You can remove people from your shots, fix lighting after you shoot, and capture DSLR quality portraits with ease. Add to that a 64mm by ultrawide and a 48-hour periscope zoom with 5x optical. It's a mobile photography machine. Performance? The Tensor G4 chip, built on 3nm, is smarter, faster, and cooler than ever. It's designed to power live translation, smart editing, and even generate content on the device itself. All-day battery? 5500 mAh with 65W fast charging and wireless support. Software? Android 15. Clean, fast, and now smarter than ever with Pixel-exclusive AI features. Expected price? $1,199. But honestly, it feels like Google's most complete, intelligent, and premium Pixel ever. And the question is this the phone that finally puts Google on top?